East Van Shopsicle, everybody should buy one. Have some fun, ditch the cars, get on the bikes.
Yeah. You heard what you said. What do you think, Pete? Here's your bike.
This is awesome, man. Awesome.
Check it out, guys. This is Pete's new beast.
Sick.
The new member of East Van Shopsicle.
Good job, man. Creative artist right here. Everyone should buy one. Awesome.
Sit on it.
Holy fuck, dude. Wow. Wow. That looks fucking cool. Oh, holy shit. I love it, man. Oh my god, hey. Oh yeah.
How's it feel?
Oh, it feels great.
That looks
Specifically built for this guy here. It's awesome.
tailored to fit you.
I love it, man. Looks
It's
good.
the VIP East Van Shopsicle suit.
Wow. Holy shit. It's perfect. It's not too crazy.
Super black, right? Your frame was glass bead blasted and then
And this seat
powder coated
swivel.
was super clear.
This seat.
Nice, right?
What? The seat moves, eh?
Spring.
It's got springs on it.
Fuck, dude.
You got suspension, so when we hit bumps,
Wow,
it's
dude.
more comfortable.
Got all the lights going on.
Wow. And you got the switch on the side, black. Oh, yeah.
You got the
I love it.
big brake. The great crazy chain.
Yeah, it's got
I
custom
love it.
trim.
I love it. I love it. East Van Shopsicle, everybody should buy one. Have some fun, ditch the cars, get on the bikes.
Yeah. You heard what you
Get on
said.
the bikes.
Do it now.
Get on the bikes, guys. It's worth it.
Yeah. Wait till you ride it. Wait till you ride it. You're
Oh my
fucking,
God,
you can have a
yeah.
perma grin for a year.
Yeah, for sure. Nice, eh? Stars over here. This is crazy, man.
Sick, huh?
All it does is peel out. I love it. It's just gone. Boom!
Yeah,
Oh
I think
my
it's sick.
god. Wicked. Everyone's got to get one who
Yeah.
lives in Vancouver. Great job, man. You guys kick ass. I love it. I love it. Check it out, gents. Right here.
East Van
The
Shopsicle.
name is East Van Shops.
Yeah.
Right there. Awesome, man. A little ripped area. So this is your brake.
Yeah.
This is your power.
And it's got
pedal.
coaster brake too, also, right?
Yeah.
And it,
Like,
you click back to
basically
2
you
gears.
can pedal, hit the throttle a little bit. If you drop it, you bottom, right?
So that's a what?
That's the throttle. That's your brake. And just ride the bike, man.
That's
Go for
right.
it. You'll be all right. Careful.
real slow.
Yeah, go really
Fast.
slow because you got fresh tires.
Crazy, right?
I've been waiting to see this thing in motion,
Kick
man.
the
That's
smile off my
crazy.
face, man. Holy mackerel.
Crazy, right?
Okay, let's go for a rip. Okay, Pete, how's your first ride?
Ride was awesome. Rides like a boss.
Nice.
This is great.
Okay, make sure you ride safe. Thank you for supporting us, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.